Hey guys, Kyle here with Crypto Now Known. Today we're going to do a quick Coinbase crash course on the mobile. So you guys are going to want to go to the Play Store and you guys are going to want to go to Coinbase. You're going to want to download the app. I already have the app downloaded. So once you guys have the app downloaded, you guys are going to go ahead and open it. I have a pin to lock. It won't have one until you guys set it up. When you guys first get on, this is what the homepage is going to look like. You guys are going to want to go to settings and you guys are going to want to verify your guys' email. You guys are going to verify your identity with a passport or an ID before you guys are able to purchase. This is what the buying part is going to look like. You got buy, sell, convert, swap, and trade. So these are all the assets that they got. They also got prices on pretty much every coin, but you can only purchase certain coins from Coinbase. So you're going to go, you can open this up. So you can choose which asset you guys are going to want to buy. You're going to have to link a payment card where you see where the limit is. I have a $1,500 limit a week. You guys will have a $500 a week when you first sign up. When you get to the buy, you're just going to click that portion. It's going to say add payment method. Once you have a card linked, you can just purchase however amount you want. Click this. It'll go ahead and submit. It'll start doing the transaction through your bank. And then you'll get a little notice here that says it's been submitted into view your account. It might not be in your portfolio instantly, but it will show right there in the history that you do have it. So you could also sell. So this is where your PayPal is linked, and you link your PayPal back to your bank. That's how you get your crypto back out. There's also converting, where you can convert any of your assets to any one of the other assets that are available through here, which if they have a decent amount, you can't purchase all of the coins, but you are allowed to convert a lot of them into a different one. And then you also have the send and receive. So you need to send to an external ID, to your ledger, to another exchange, and then there you go. Then you'll have all of your assets purchased right here in your portfolio. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the quickest, easiest way I could show you how to do a mobile one on Coinbase. You pretty much just download it, set it up, verify your email, verify your ID, and then add a payment method. It's super simple. Coinbase has the easiest user interface out of any exchange I've ever used. I'll be doing another one on the PC if you guys aren't using your mobile. I'm also going to use a Coinbase Pro, and I'm also going to do a Binance one, and I'm also going to do one that's strictly just on transferring money from one exchange to another one. So you guys are probably going to be using Binance and Coinbase when you guys first start off. So we're going to do a video of showing you how to send assets from Coinbase to Binance, Binance to Coinbase, and we're also going to be doing a video from any exchange into a Ledger Live. I just want to let you guys know we are not sponsored by Coinbase for this video at all. We are not affiliated with Coinbase at all, or any of the exchanges of any of the tutorial videos we're going to be doing. So yeah, that's Kyle with Crypto Now Known. I hope this was a little bit easier for you guys to follow than some of the other videos. I know we dived in pretty quick, but the screen recording, I can only do it so good. So here it is, guys. Thanks.